Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to log your day one journal on a device. Now if you want to log the journal of the day one journal but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. A day one is a popular journaling app among the iPhone, iPad, Mac and other Android users also. Log the journals on day one. Make sure that you have installed the day one journal app on the device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the Day One Journal app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of the Day One Journal app, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to lock your journals, you just need to click on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the various options like your account information, sync, last syncs, journals and all of it. So you just need to scroll down until you see the option of passcode and face ID. So click on the option of passcode and you just need to toggle on the passcode option, and here you need to enter the new passcode for your device. So I'll simply keep a password like this, and after that you just need to re-enter the new password to confirm it. So it asks you, do you want to allow, do you want to use your face ID? So click on the option of allow to enable it. So by doing all of it, you will be able to log the journals on your day one app. So to open the day one app, you just need to enter the passcode, or it requires a face ID. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to log the journals on day one. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.